Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your favorite Instagram reels, whether they are your own or others, right from the application. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Instagram application and log into your account. Once logged into your Instagram account, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the reel you want to save from your home screen. After you find the reel you want to save, go ahead and preview the reel and tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the reel preview. Now in the pop-up, you will see a save button. Tap on it and then you can go ahead and select your collections, tabs, or create a new collection. Write down the name for your collection and then click on save at the top right to save the reel. Now if you ever want to find those reels, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right from the home page and click on the three horizontal menu at the top right. From here you can tap on saved and all of your saved reels will be displayed on the screen. So that's how you can easily save reels on Instagram, whether it is your own or it is from someone else. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.